Good day, everyone. You're welcome to this amazing learning platform. My name is Ms. Adegoke. Today, we are considering the subject quantitative reasoning, and our topic is shapes. You can see on the screen here, our topic is shapes. Once again, you're welcome to this wonderful class. What do we mean by shape? The shape of anything is how the appearance of the thing is. As a human being, your body has a shape. There are other objects around us. They have their own shapes. Shape is what something looks like. That's what we mean by appearance. Now, a shape can be round, curved, or straight. It may be on a straight line. Shapes can come in different patterns. Every object has a shape. And then we have some familiar shapes around us. Look at this. The first shape we have here is circle. A lot of things are circular in shape. The second one we have here is the triangle. You can see the triangle. We have the square. That's four sides the same. For a triangle, we have 3 equal sides. Then here we have the rhombus. This is the rhombus here. We have the oval. We have the star. This is the star here. We have the rectangle here. We have the hexagon here. Hexagon is a shape with 6 sides. We have the pentagon here. Then we have the octagon. Octagon is a shape with 8 sides. We have more shapes like you can see here. I mentioned the pentagon earlier. This is the pentagon, a 5-sided shape. This is a right angle triangle. It is also a triangle because it has 3 sides. Then we have a trapezium. This is a kite. We have the polygon here. You can see the polygon here. We have the parallelogram. We have the eclipse. We have the trefoil. We have the star. We have the semicircle. That's half of a circle. We have the hexagon. The hexagon is a shape with 6 sides. We have the crescent. We have the octagon. We have the cross. Then we have the ring shape. We have some more shapes here. This is a pentagon again. That's a 5-sided shape. We have the rhombus, we have the square, and then we have the rectangle. Look at the square. The difference between a square and the rectangle is that the size of a square are the same, 4 equal sides, but a rectangle has 2 sides the same and 2 sides the same. The 4 sides are not the same. We have 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Look at this shape here. This is the arrow sign, the arrow shape. We also have the heart shape. You can see the heart shape here. A lot of you are familiar with this heart shape because it is also used to symbolize love. This is the heart shape here. Then we have the ellipse again. We have the star. We have the multiplication sign. We use this a lot in mathematics. You are very familiar with it. When you have to multiply, you times. That's the multiplication sign there. We have the plus sign. This is the plus sign that you can see here. You are very familiar with that as well. We use it to add the math. Then we have the minus sign here. We use this to subtract, to take away in math. We are very familiar with this as well. Okay, we have some more shapes here. We have the nonagon, a shape with 9 sides. We have the octagon, a shape with 8 sides. We have the heptagon, a shape with 7 sides. We have the hexagon, a shape with 6 sides. We've seen the pentagon before. That's one with 5 sides. And then the decagon is a shape with 10 sides. We have lots of shapes. All the objects around us come in one shape or the other. Look at this section over here. This is a type of triangle called the scaling triangle. It is a three-sided shape, but the three sides are not the same. We are going to be learning more about this in mathematics. Then look at this here. We have the cylinder shape. You are very familiar with your tin of Bonvita, Milo. Okay, they come in this kind of shape, a cylindrical shape, a cylinder. It is called a cylinder. Then we have the cube. We have the ice cube. This is a shape. Now, as human beings, our body come in different shapes. Our fingers are long, and then our legs too are long. We have our head. Our head is not, we won't call it round, but it is a part of the body that you can touch. It appears to be round, but it is not perfectly round. Our eyes too are not they are not we cannot call it round, but they are also kind of circular in shape. Everything around us come in shape one way or the other. Do you know that to get the shape of a human being, you can put in all these familiar shapes together, like circle, maybe for head, and then you have your square for the body, then the rectangle for the legs, and then the rectangle again for the hands. We use shapes to do different things. Yes, to test your knowledge, you are going to attempt these exercises in your inside-out quantitative reasoning book 4. You are with them, pages 122 to 123, exercise 19.1, and you are to do 1 to 10. You are to identify the shapes there. I've shown you lots of shapes. You are to look at the shapes and then mention, tick the word for the shape there. We have learned that every object has a shape. Some shapes are similar to other shapes, while others are very different. For your assignment, you are to answer exercise 19.2 of that your inside-out quantitative reasoning, that's on pages 123 to 124. You are to attempt exercise 19.3. The classwork I mentioned earlier is pages 123 to 124. That's exercise 19.2, 1 to 12. But for your assignment, you attempt pages 124 and 125 too. That's exercise 19.3, 1 to 12. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and don't forget to keep safe. Thank you once again.